Right now, I'm holding the world's first underwater AI organism, designed to explore the ocean, which at this moment is only 2% discovered. And just look at this. The official price of this device is $5,200, and it's already available for purchase. It's offered to universities and scientific research centers, companies working in underwater technologies, climate research organizations studying global ocean changes. This is how the company showcases the Aquamind X1 in motion, a fully autonomous AI fish that moves through the ocean with absolute precision, powered by the ultra-strong Aquabionic processor. It's this processor that allows the device to swim just like a real marine creature. At the front of the Aquamind X1, there is a high-precision depth scanner called Hydroscan Delta. This sensor reads the ocean floor with millimeter accuracy, capturing everything from sand patterns to the movement of tiny marine organisms. All collected data is instantly transmitted to the central analysis system known as Ocean Vision Core. It works like an underwater CRM for researchers, storing information, generating 3D maps of the ocean floor, and automatically creating real-time models of environmental changes. Thanks to this system, scientists can observe the ocean as if they were standing right on the seabed. In the eyes of the Aquamind X1 are ultra-advanced hydro cameras known as Aquavision 4K. They capture high-resolution footage even in the total darkness of the deep ocean, where sunlight never reaches. Each camera is equipped with spectral analysis sensors, allowing it to detect not only colors, but also temperature, the chemical composition of the water, and the movement of microscopic organisms. All video streams are instantly sent to the Aquabionic central processor and the Ocean Vision Core system, where they are processed to create precise 3D models of the ocean floor and the behavior of marine life. Thanks to this, researchers can literally see through the eyes of the fish and access unique data that traditional methods could never capture. The Aquamind X1 can operate continuously for 72 hours. During this entire time, it scans the ocean, records data, and transmits it directly into the system. After completing its cycle, the AI fish automatically rises to the surface. There, its solar module, the solar wave cell, activates and begins charging the battery using nothing but sunlight. Thanks to this technology, the Aquamind X1 can work almost endlessly, moving from one research cycle to the next without any human intervention. Aquamind X1 is not just technology. It is the first artificial creature that thinks, navigates, and explores the underwater world in ways no machine ever could. It sees what remains hidden in absolute darkness. It senses the slightest movements of the water. It recognizes the structure of an ocean that has stayed unchanged for millions of years. It operates where humans cannot reach, where pressure would crush any vessel, where no one truly knows what lives in the shadows. And every 72 hours, after another deep-sea mission, it rises back to the surface, recharges from the sun, and disappears into the depths once again, uncovering the ocean page by page, a world that has remained a mystery to us. Perhaps technologies like this will reveal new species, new ecosystems, and new stories of a planet we thought we already understood. Because the ocean is not just water, it is a parallel world. And today, we have taken the very first step toward finally seeing it in full.